Welcome to Babonga's channel. If you wanna know how you can make a beautiful polymer clay and copper wire 3-stone ring like these, stay with me until the end of this video. Start with thick copper wire and an object with the diameter of your finger. Wrap the wire around this bottle cap 3.5 times and remove it. Grab the ring like this firmly with your pliers and bend one end upwards, then change sides and do the same. Repeat so you bend each end further. Press the knot and continue bending. Use a second set of pliers if needed. The point is to make a tight knot at the crown of your ring. Try to make the loops small and tight. And when you finish, press the knot down and cut the excess wire from both ends. After correcting the shape, tuck in those sharp edges. This is the first part of your ring. Try it on your finger and get thin copper wire, a nail and a pencil like this. These will help you create the crown of your ring. Start by wrapping the wire around the nail 3 or 4 times, like this. Place the pencil close to the nail and wrap again around it 3 or 4 times, like this. Twist between the two objects and remove the nail and place it to the other side close to the pencil again. Start wrapping 3 or 4 times. Straighten the edges, push the coils closer together, and when you're ready, remove it and push like this. This is a triple coil that will go on top of your ring. The middle larger loop will cover the knot. Bend and then just secure the wire on one side. Do the same for the other side. Finish one side by making more loops around the side of your ring and tightening them, and when you're ready, cut the rest of the wire. and straighten there a little bit. Repeat for the other side and maybe correct the shape of the crown, pressing the loops down, and also correct the shape of the ring. Then test it on your finger and let's get ready for polymer clay. Use the same color or two shades of one color or even totally different colors. You need 3 tiny balls, one larger and 2 smaller. Simply press the polymer clay onto the circular parts of the crown and then just work it to make it very smooth. Continue with the smaller, tinier balls. Press the clay deep inside the crown parts so it stays there, and if the clay gets a little dirty from handling, just wipe and take it to the oven, and after cooling you may apply gloss varnish. And this was how you can make polymer clay and copper wire 3 stone rings.